So this is a question from application of derivatives. So the chord of a parabola y is equal to minus a square x square plus 5ax minus 4 touches the curve y is equal to 1 by x at 2 comma minus 1, and it is also bisected at that point. So we have been asked to find the values of a. So since the chord touches the curve at y is equal to 1 by 1 minus x, it is also the tangent of the curve. So what is the slope of the tangent? How will you find? You'll differentiate the curve with respect to x. So if I differentiate it with respect to x, I will get 1 by 1 minus x the whole square. So substituting value of 2, I will get 1. So the slope of the chord is 1. Since we have been given the points also, which is on the chord, we can form the equation of the chord by y minus y1, that is y plus 1, equal to m, that is 1 into x minus 2. So finally what we will get is y is equals to x minus 3. So this is the equation of the chord. Since this chord is a part of the parabola, we can also substitute in the parabolic equation. So if I substitute for y, I will get x minus 3 is equal to minus a square x square plus 5ax minus 4. So if I simplify this equation, I will finally get minus a square x square plus x into 5a minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So multiplying by minus 1 on both sides, I will get a square x square plus minus x into 5a minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So now what we need to do is we need to find the values of a. So for that what we can do is, since this is a chord which is on this the endpoints a and endpoint b, they are on the parabola and it is bisected. So the bisected the midpoint is 2 comma minus 1. A and b are on the ends of the parabola. So what we know is the x coordinates. Let us say this to be h1 comma k1 and this to be h2 comma k2. So we know that h1 plus h2 by 2 is equal to 2 by midpoint formula, right? So which implies h1 plus h2 is equal to 4. But what is this h1 plus h2? This h1 plus h2 is the sum of the roots of this equation, right? So how, what in a quadratic equation, what is the sum of the roots formula? It is minus b by a, that is the negative of coefficient of x divided by the coefficient of x square. So if I apply that, I will get 5a minus 1 by a square equal to 4. If I simplify this, I will get 4a square minus 5a plus 1 equal to 0. So the roots of this equation are a is equal to 1 and 1 by 4. So we got the values of a to be 1 and 1 by 4. And both of these values, if you substitute, you will get the equation of the parabola. So both of these values indeed are the solution for this question. Thank you.